1962 Corvette Convertible, which has like the back end like the 63. But you know, the big advantage is the 62's got a trunk. You know, so you got your filler, you put your gas. This is what I like about 62's. You got that nice styling in the back, but you fill it up here instead of filling it up over there. And you got a trunk. Makes it a lot more practical. And this is a very popular color. Sometimes you can see the turquoise with the off-white insert. You know, the light blue is a very popular color. The light yellow is a very popular color too. You know, I don't know what the different manufacturers called that marketing names for the color, but what you would see a lot of times was like a peach colored pink or a baby blue, turquoise, light yellow. It's pretty common. And you got your 4-speed. And your handle, grab it onto. Probably just 260, 283. Why not it's probably 283. His tires are, white walls are whiter than white, you know.